Hello everybody, it's me, Cece the Cece Star, and today I have a special guest. Emmy, would you like to say hello?
Hi.
So, today we are going to be making some art with nature. So, we will see you outside to get the supplies.
Yep.
So, we are outside now, and we are going to be looking for some sticks or leaves or rocks. So let's see what we find.
Found a base of a tree. We're gonna look around here.
And oh, there's garbage right over
We're not
there.
gonna take the garbage.
Oh, I found a rock, stick, and another stick. We're just gonna be looking for a lot of supplies.
All right, we are back from outside, and we are gonna start our art project. First, we have our materials are paper, crayons, tape, scissors, pattern tape, and Sharpie.
So now this is the stuff that we got from outside. We have sticks, a lot.
We got a lot of sticks.
Oh, there's also a little bug. Oh, it's a bug, if you can see. That'll have to die soon. Leaves. There's a lot of leaves. A piece of what looks like wheat. Not dead leaves. Oh wait, that looks dead.
More sticks.
Pine cone.
More sticks.
Rocks.
Wood. Another stick.
Rocks. Oh, and a flower. And
Leaves. Wood.
you know, just a big pile of random things that you can find in front of you. So, we have finished our creations, and I am going to explain mine. So, mine is this little bird's nest. There's paper on the bottom to make everything stick. There's some sticks in there. There's a lot of tape. I tried to make it look natural. And then this is Bob, the owl. A lot of deans are named Bob, but this is the special Bob. It's Bob the owl, and this is its nest, and I think it wants to fly away from it because
I think it wants to die.
this is disgusting.
It really wants
But
to die.
Emmy, explain
Oh,
yours.
right. So I was originally gonna make a unicorn, but I couldn't figure out how to do that. So I decided to make a wand. It's a bumblebee wand because there's a lot of bumblebee tape. I just taped leaves to it, and there's magic, totally pixie dust, not wheat.
So yeah, thank you for watching this fun experience, and please make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye!